Hi everyone, welcome to the new MCQ video on welding. Today we'll be discussing some questions from the topic arc welding. Here is our first question. What is the order of temperature of heat produced in an electric arc furnace? Normally, they have named it is electric arc welding. Okay. The options are 3000 degree to 4000 degree, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000, 6000 to 7000. The correct answer is 6000 to 7000. An electric arc furnace generates a lot of heat when the working metal comes in contact with the electrode. The heat that is generated in this joining process is in the order of 6000 degrees Celsius to 7000 degrees Celsius. Second question, the distance from the center of the arc to the tip of the electrode is called what? It's a very simple question, most of us know that. It is the arc length. It has very important role in the welding operation. Distance from the center of the arc to the tip of the electrode right till the bottom of the scatter is defined to be the arc length. The arc length considers to be one of the most essential variable in welding process. What is the length of arc generally? It may vary from 3 mm to 4 mm. They have given the options as 1 mm to 2 mm, 2 mm to 3 mm, and 3 mm to 4 mm, 4 mm to 5 mm. The correct answer is the arc length is varies between 3 mm to 4 mm. In arc welding process, high quality alternator functions at what frequency? It's a rare question. In an arc welding process, there are alternators used for producing high current and the function at low frequency. There are alternators which are of high frequency and work at high frequency. The functioning frequency of these alternators are 400 Hz. They will be working at a frequency of 400 Hz. Which type of electrode is designed for melting quickly? There are mainly three types of electrodes we will be dealing in welding operation. There are fast fill, fast freeze, and fill freeze. Among these, the fast fill electrodes are considered to be operate at extremely high welding speed. Hence, the fast fill electrodes are designed for quick melting. So our option is fast fill electrode. What amount of electricity gets converted into heat energy in an arc welding? What amount of electricity is converted to heat energy in an arc welding? The correct answer is 1 kilowatt. In an arc welding process, there is a direct conversion of electric energy into heat energy. Approximate amount of 1 kilowatt hour of electrical energy gets converted into heat energy for this purpose. Arc welding machine use DC supply only. Is it true or not? Now, all of us know that arc welding is running on both AC and DC. So it's a false option. Arc welding machines are able to work on both alternating current supply as well as direct current supply. But mainly arc welding machines work on DC supply only. There are positive terminal connected to the welding machine and okay. Next question, which type of electrode is designed for melting quickly? We have already discussed this. Electrode which are classified into three types: fast fill, fast freeze, and fill freeze. In fast freeze electrode, the filler metal is supplied. The filler element gets solidified and provides a variety in positions of the weld. Okay, so fast fill electrode that will be chosen for melting quickly. Which material is not used as an iron coating on the electrode used in arc welding? The answer is steel. Materials that are used as coating on electrodes that are used in arc welding are cellulose, iron powder, calcium chloride, and rutile. Iron is used for ease of weld, but not steel, though its main contains of iron. So, steel is our correct answer. Our last question. The negative pole of the electrode burns away faster than the positive pole. Is it true or not? During the welding operation, in an arc welding process, the positive pole of the electrode experiences two-thirds of the heat and the negative pole experiences one-third of the heat. Hence, the positive pole burns away faster than the negative pole. So, our option is, we can choose the option, false option. Positive pole has the greater burn away percentage. So that's the 10 question from the topic arc welding. So we'll be back with another 10 question on the next